Hello dear learner, welcome back to the Zoom Chemistry Hub. Today with another interesting and informative video in which we will discuss the solution and their types. So first we will discuss what is a solution. A solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances. A solution contains two components, a solute and a solvent. Now, what is a solute? Solute is a substance that can dissolve. The substance which can dissolve or which are dissolved is called solute. And what is solvent? A solvent is that substance in which the solute can dissolve. The substance in which the solute can dissolve is called solvent. And be remember that solute are in less amount while solvent are in large amount. That is the main difference of solute and solvent. Solute can dissolve and solvent can dissolve the solute. Solute are in less amount while solvent are in large amount. Next, types of solution based on solubility. There are three types of solution, that is saturated solution, unsaturated solution and supersaturated solution. We will discuss these three types one by one. First, what is saturated solution? A saturated solution is that solution which contains the maximum amount of solute that can dissolve at a specific temperature, and then no more solute can dissolve. Any extra solute will stay at the bottom. Mean to say, a saturated solution is that type of solution in which the maximum amount of solute can be dissolved at a particular temperature, and at that temperature the maximum amount of solute can dissolve, and if we add the extra amount or extra solute, then it does not dissolve. The example of saturated solution is that if you keep adding sugar to a glass of water until it stops dissolving and settles at the bottom, the solution is saturated. Mean to say, if we take a beaker and in this beaker we pour some water or a glass of water. Then we add, and its temperature is about 40 degrees centigrade, and we add the sugar in this. When the more sugar stop dissolving, then at this temperature, this is called saturated solution. Next is the unsaturated solution. Unsaturated solution is the type of solution that contains less solute than the maximum amount that can dissolve in a given amount of solvent at a specific temperature. More solute can still be dissolved in the solution. Example: if you add 1 teaspoon of sugar to a glass of water and it dissolves completely. The solution is unsaturated because more sugar can still be dissolved. For example, in the first, we take the example if a saturated solution can dissolve 4 teaspoons of sugar and we take another beaker and the same amount of water in this beaker as we take for the preparation of saturated solution. Then we know that the saturated solution can dissolve 4 teaspoons. But here in this solution we know the equal amount of water, equal same temperature, that is 40 degrees centigrade, equal amount of water, but we dissolve in this solution 2 teaspoon, and we know that it can dissolve further 2 teaspoon, but we did not dissolve extra additional 2 teaspoon. We dissolve only 2 teaspoon, and we know that this solution have the capacity to dissolve further 2 teaspoon of sugar. So at this stage this solution is called unsaturated solution, which can dissolve further amount of solute at a particular temperature. Next is the supersaturated solution. What is supersaturated solution? A supersaturated solution is a solution that contains more solute than it can normally hold at a given temperature. This solution is made by heating saturated solution and we then adding extra solute and then cooled it down slowly. The excess solute remain dissolved temporarily, and if we disturb this solution by shaking or by adding small crystals, the extra solute crystallize out. The example is that when making a rock candy, a hard sugar solution is allowed to cool, forming a sugar crystals. Mean to say, if we have saturated solution and temperature is 40 degrees centigrade and it contains some water, and at this temperature it can dissolve only 4 teaspoons of sugar, and if we add further amount of sugar it does not dissolve and still at the bottom of this beaker. Now when we heat this solution, then it have the ability to dissolve further amount of solute, and we add further amount of solute in this solution by increasing the temperature from 40 to 50 or something above 40 degree centigrade. So by increasing the temperature, this the ability to dissolve the further amount of solution, a further amount of solute. So this solution is called supersaturated solution, which can dissolve further amount of solute as we dissolve in saturated solution by increasing the temperature or by heating this saturated solution. Then this solution have the ability to dissolve further amount of solute. So this is called supersaturated solution. Next is the type of solution based on physical state. On the basis of physical state, the solutions are classified into 9 types, that is solid, liquid and gas, and these solid, liquid and gas have further three types. So first we take solid solution. Solid solution is that solution in which the solvent is solid. Solid is solid. And in this solution, solid in solid, that is alloy of metal. That is the example of alloy of metals. That is brass, that is zinc in copper. Here the copper is the solvent and zinc is the solute. Liquid in solid, that is mercury in silver. Mercury is the solute and silver is the solvent. Gas in solid, that is hydrogen gas in palladium, that is used in fuel storage. Liquid solution. Liquid solution are those solutions in which the solvent is liquid and solute may be liquid, may be solid, may be gas. And the example of solid in liquid, that is salt or sugar dissolved in water. Here water is the solvent, sugar or salt is the solute. Liquid in liquid, that is alcohol in water. Here the ethanol or alcohol is the solute and the water is solvent, because these two are the liquid but water have a large amount and ethanol or alcohol have a less amount or small amount. Gas in liquid, that is carbon dioxide absorbed in cold drink or in any liquid carbonated drink, that is carbon dioxide in water. The gaseous solution. Gaseous solution are those solutions in which the solvent is gas and solute may be solid, may be liquid or may be gas. So gaseous solution, the example is solid in gas, that is the smoke particle in air. Smoke particle are the solid, solute and air is the solvent. Liquid in gas, that is the perfume in air. When we spray a perfume, the particles of liquid particle of perfume are the solute and the air is the solvent. Gas in gas, a mixture of two gases. It is a mixture of oxygen and nitrogen, and we know that gas in gas, one gas is solute and the other gas is solvent. Here you can see in the mixture of gases, we know that the percentage of nitrogen is large. Here the nitrogen is the solvent and oxygen is the solute. That's for all today, the learners. If you have any queries, please write me in my comment box. Your comment will be appreciated and it will be motivated me to do better for you. And if you like this video, please like, subscribe and share with your friends and fellows, so by this way we can grow each other. Thanks for watching.